Alright, just a quick one here. So we're taking out this magic pack. We took out the whole air conditioning section, which is just the whole bottom piece, because this thing's heavy as hell and it's awkward. So the reason we're changing this thing out, which is pretty much the case with most of these things, is the heat exchanger. Oh, nice right there. Gets all jacked up. You can see right there, it's all cracked all throughout it. So that's not good. Gotta change it out. So fun. Get the old one out, the new one in. So, but we're on the downstairs for once. It's nice. No third floor. Okay, got this one out because it's so much lighter without the piece on there. Here's what it sits on. It gets so gross. It's literally just plywood. You can see the water damage there. Not terrible. Down there is the return. My phone will focus. It's just, yeah. And it's always like that. You can see the drains come from the other units that come down. That's the actual return to the house there. But yeah, it's full of crap. These things are not designed very well. Nasty. And easy as that, it is now all installed. Very easy. Put it on the hole, attach the drain, reattach the electrical, reattach the low voltage, reattach the gas. Gas is usually a different height, but that's it. Straightforward and a pain in the ass. Perfect.